Hi, I'm Christina from Travels with Ted. If you're trying to find your RV water pump, you're in the right place. RV water pumps are often hidden behind cabinet panels or in your RV storage bay. However, they're easy to find if you know where to look. RV water pumps are usually going to be near the water hookups because they draw water directly from the fresh water tank. So start by locating your RV water fill and hookups or your convenience center if your RV has one. Once you've located your RV's water hookups, the easiest way to find your RV water pump is to listen for it. Make sure there's water in your freshwater tank and switch on the water pump. Then turn on a faucet and leave it running. You'll hear the pump running. Follow the sound and you'll get close to its location. Remember, the water pump might be inside behind a panel or outside in your storage bay. In our RV, the water pump is located inside this cabinet next to our sofa and Murphy bed. The cabinet does not have a door, but there is a removable panel to access the pump. If this helped you find your RV's water pump, hit that subscribe button. If you're still looking, look in your owner's manual, search an online forum for your manufacturer, or simply call your manufacturer and ask them. Happy camping!